Hello my bunnies! Today we are making taro hot chocolate bombs that look like little bunnies. Taro or taro is a form of potato, or technically yam. And if you haven't tried it before, don't worry. This is not going to taste like mashed potato hot chocolate. And it is purple. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my white chocolate here that I have melted, and that is going to be our base for our little bunnies. And these hot chocolate bombs are made with white chocolate because we want that purple color to really shine through. So I have some taro powder here. I love that this kind of stuff is available now. Like, look at the color. Like, it is purple. I don't even know if you guys can see that. But we are going to take roughly a teaspoon of this powder. Look at that, it's so cool. And we're gonna add it to the chocolate. And this brand has other powders like pandan and dragon fruit and so many different kinds. It's so cool. This isn't sponsored. I'm just like really excited. So the possibilities are endless, you guys. And I love that it adds flavor as well as like a color. But I want it to be a little bit more vibrant. So what I'm gonna do is add some oil-based food coloring. When you are dyeing chocolate, the food coloring that you use needs to be oil-based, because regular food coloring has water in it, and water causes chocolate to seize, and that will like create a freaking nightmare. So don't do it. Like, you deserve the stress of not having to deal with that. Okay, so now we're going to take our rabbit mold, because these don't magically get shaped into rabbits, as wonderful as that would be. So flip it over, obviously, I don't even know why, that's like a step. And we are going to fill the mold with the chocolate to create a little chocolate shell. And when filling your chocolate shells, you want to keep in mind that to unmold these little bunnies, you are going to have to put some pressure on the sides to unmold them. So you don't want it to be too thin, because they could crack and then they'll just break and it will be a really depressing mess. So it's not gonna like taste like plasticky, like if you were using candy melts. It'll just like add to the richness of the hot chocolate bomb, so don't worry. Now we're gonna pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes or until the chocolate is fully set. And oh my gosh, you guys, in the meantime, while I was doing this, I came up with how to make soup bombs. You guys know that in like November, I was like trying and failing and it wasn't working. I figured it out. I figured out how to do it. So next, not next like bomb recipe is going to be soup bombs. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I feel like it was like right in front of me this whole time. So while the chocolate is setting, we are going to make the filling. So I have some more melted white chocolate here, and the reason why we are separating this chocolate from the shell is because this one is going to be made a little bit differently. And if you're not a fan of white chocolate, you can use milk chocolate, you can use dark, whatever you like. It will just mean that your hot chocolate won't be like entirely purple. We have our chocolate here, and then we have some hot cream. I just microwaved it for like 30 seconds, and I'm gonna pour that into the chocolate. And I'm also going to add a pinch of salt, and it just makes it a nice balance. You know, it won't taste salty. And we're gonna go like all out today. I have this was gifted to me by a brand. It's like literally a hunk of salt. Like, I licked it. It's so salty. Shocker. This is so extra. And then I'm just gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna add some more of that taro powder, because you know, like, we want it to actually taste like taro. Okay, and look at that color. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Now we are going to pipe the ganache filling directly into the bunnies, and I put it into a piping bag just to make it way easier. Before you put the chocolate layer on is to stick mini marshmallows inside. Okay, so the ganache has set, so we're gonna push them pretty deep because we want the base to be flat. But this will make it so that you have marshmallows in your hot chocolate as well. If you want to get super unique here, I actually made hot chocolate bombs, but the tea version. So I'll link that in the cards. Watch it after this one. It's really, really cool, and it was really fun to make. Now I'm gonna pop these into the fridge overnight. You don't have to do overnight. You can leave it like an hour or something like that, but I'm gonna go to sleep because it is 1 a.m. currently, and I will see you guys in 2 seconds. So next thing now, and we are going to unmold our bunnies. And struggle. And push from the bottom up. These are way easier to unmold than cheese mold. Let me just tell you. Oh my god. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay. I'm so excited, it's my logo. Okay, moment of truth. I have my steamed milk here. You just need hot milk, but I like it steamed and fluffy. A bunny goes in. This is a big bunny. Oh my god, okay. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so ready. Frothy milk. It's melting. It's time. That's really good. The taro is very smooth. It tastes really high quality and it's not bitty. That is the most important thing. It doesn't have like those grains, that kind of like sand texture that I know a lot of like powdered stuff gives drinks when you add them to the liquid. So anyways, I love you guys so much for watching and I will see you on Wednesday for a new video.